Hi, welcome to Limericks. Imagine taking a 4-hour workflow and shrinking it down to just 4 minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how I automated my entire job using only 3 free AI tools. Let's begin. I used to spend hours checking emails, rewriting content, summarizing documents, and updating sheets. It was boring, repetitive, and a huge waste of time. So I built a simple, powerful system using just 3 tools. Gemini to think, Blackbox to rewrite, and Zapier to automate everything. First is Gemini. This tool handles all the thinking, summarizing emails, generating replies, planning tasks, and processing any information instantly. Second is Blackbox AI. Everything Gemini creates is polished in Blackbox AI. It rewrites text, fixes formatting, improves clarity, and creates professional quality output. And finally, Zapier. This is the automation engine connecting everything. Emails to Gemini to Blackbox to Gmail, all happening automatically. Before this system, the same workflow took 3 to 4 hours. Now the entire process runs in the background in less than 4 minutes. To build this yourself, use Gemini to think, Blackbox to polish, and Zapier to automate. Start with just one workflow and expand. If you want me to create a complete step-by-step tutorial showing how to build this exact automation system from scratch, just comment Automation Part 2 below. Thank you for watching.